Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Well, I don't think there's anyone who would turn down having their mortgage paid for them or their rent for an entire year.
It's a contest that's happening right here on today's TMJ4. And helping us make this happen is Rachel Schwab with Equitable Bank. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here.
Nice to have you.
I think this sounds amazing to anybody who can think about actually having the burden of their rent or their mortgage taken off their shoulders for an entire year. How is this going to work?
It's a really fun contest for us. All you have to do to enter is go to today's TMJ4's Facebook page, like today's TMJ4, and then just enter the contest.
I mean, you must have an overwhelming response already.
A huge a huge response. I know the Equitable Bank's Facebook page, which a lot of people are coming to our page as well because we're having a contest too for a Kindle Fire.
Okay.
We have got a huge amount of people liking us and putting a lot of really positive comments on our page. It's a big deal to have your mortgage or rent paid for a year. I mean, just imagine what you could do with that much money that you could save.
Yeah, you went from something like 30 or 40 likes to now you have like 4,500.
Yeah, I think even more
like
than
2
that.
days or
The contest started on Thursday, this past Thursday. It runs every day. So you can go and enter the contest daily. Okay. And then live at 10 is when they announce the winner for the day. And that person wins a $100 Visa gift card.
Yeah,
and
so
then
it's
they
not
get
just the rent at the end.
No, it's not just the rent at the end. But that finalist for the day gets a $100 Visa gift card. And then they get entered into the drawing for the grand prize, which, like we said, is rent or mortgage paid for a year.
So whoever wins each day, it's going to be out of that pool only for the final win.
So you want to make sure to visit the Facebook today's TMJ4's Facebook page every day.
Every single day. I'm going to
set your alarm.
Yeah, for sure.
Right.
I'm gonna recap a few of those details for people because I think it's important that people remember that it's something you can enter every day. It's not just a one time you're entered and you're in. So people can go to starting every day now until November 21st. People just like the today's TMJ4 Facebook page. They can go to the contest section to enter or go to tmj4.com/win. They're going to find out what you just mentioned is if you're a finalist by watching our Live at 10 newscast on today's TMJ4 every weeknight, because the final winner won't be announced until Thanksgiving, which is November 22nd, but there's a daily finalist who receives that $100 Visa gift card every single day, which is so exciting. Again, the final winner, then the person who gets their rent or their mortgage paid for the entire year, is going to be announced on Thanksgiving, November 22nd, live on today's TMJ4 at 10 p.m. Imagine that. That's something to be thankful for.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and how does it work? Are you assuming someone's loan?
No, we're not assuming someone's loan. What we're doing is we've partnered with, the Equitable Bank has partnered with today's TMJ4, and we'll give a cash award for your rent or your mortgage.
Up to $1,500
per month.
That's amazing. Wow. And Equitable Bank is a local bank. How can how are you able to do something this grand?
Well, the Equitable Bank is a local bank. We've been in this community for over 85 years. And this is just a really great opportunity for us to thank the community in which we operate. It's just a really fun way to just say thank you to our loyal customers and the community.
And introduce yourself too.
And for those of us who don't know, this is a big tie-in for us because we're a really big mortgage lender in the marketplace.
Right.
So it makes sense for us to be giving away something like this.
Well, it's a big way to say thank you.
It is a big way to say thank you, but we really do appreciate all of the loyal customers that we have, and we're happy to be able to do this.
Well, you guys are even on Facebook, you're on Twitter. I know you guys post like daily mortgage rates so people can actually follow what's kind of going on in the marketplace.
We do. Every day we tweet our featured mortgage rate of the day, which, by the way, they are really, really, really low. So if
do you know what today's tweet is?
I don't know what today's tweet is. The rates aren't out yet, but they have been in the low 3s.
Unbelievable.
So for a 30-year fixed rate. So.
Well, and here's the thing. I mean, rates are low. It's a cheap time right now to be able to borrow money. But the reality is, a lot of people are going through a hard time. Still, a lot of people out of work. A lot of people struggling with, 2 jobs or double working, couples, families, and things like that. I just can't imagine for the person who wins this what a relief it's going to be for a year to not have to pay that monthly mortgage or that monthly rent, because $1,500, that adds up to a lot at the end of the year.
It really does. And a lot of the comments that we're getting on our Facebook page are just that, saying, oh, it's been such a struggle for me. This would be such a blessing. Thank you, Equitable Bank and TMJ4. It's just a really it would be a really great thing for someone to win right now. I mean, imagine what you could do with that money. You know, save for your kids' college, or just make sure that you're able to stay in your home or your apartment or whatever it is.
Pay off medical bills.
Exactly.
I mean, the list goes on and on.
Yeah,
the things that
it's
you
a
can do.
huge prize.
Yes, it is.
So,
Yeah,
but
so-
we do have the three, so they have the $100 that they can win daily, and then the grand prize. And then I just want to remind everyone to go to the Equitable Bank's Facebook page and enter to win a Kindle Fire on that page as well.
That's right. So
How about
lots
that?
of things being
Yeah.
given away. Well, here again, here's how you can learn more about Live Free and Clear for a year. Again, just go to the Facebook page for today's TMJ4. You can also go to Equitable Bank's Facebook page too, or visit us online at tmj4.com/win to enter as well. Here's the phone number and information for Equitable Bank. If you'd like more information on mortgage rates or more information on the contest, 414-777-4411 or theequitablebank.com. Facebook and Twitter are where you post those daily rates.
You bet.
Thanks, Rachel.
Thank you.
Nice to see you. Thank you so much.
And still ahead, how the ocean is helping get rid of redness in your skin.
And up next, the best places to take the family for a getaway and suggestions maybe just for the two of you to get away to. We'll be right back.